Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are checking out a product that is specifically designed for active adults, and the number that immediately stand out on this pack is 30% protein, which is clearly mentioned over here. Now, rupees 880 for a 400 gram pack is definitely not a small amount. So the question is simple. What are we actually getting for that price? The packs talks about protein, L, muscle support, energy, and fat metabolism. It also says lower fat and sucrose. But does it actually taste good? How does it look once we prepare it? And is this something you genuinely enjoy drinking every day? We are going to open the pack, look at the powder, prepare it, taste it, check the ingredient, and go through the nutritional information. And stay till the end because I will give you my honest take. One of the biggest advantage and the disadvantage before deciding whether rupees 880 is justified. So you can see the box very closely. So this is how the box looks like. It have all the content which is mentioned over here that you can clearly see it. So this is Ensure high protein chocolate flavor, and this is from Abbott. The front describe it as high protein nutrition for active adult. It highlights 30% protein along with the power of L-carnitine. The packaging say the formulation provides vital nutrients to support muscle mass, fat metabolism, and energy. It also mentioned lower fat and sucrose and identified the product as a health supplement. The net weight is 400 grams. Now, instead of just talking about the packet, let's open it and see what actually we get. So, friends, I'm opening the packet now and I'm going to show you. This is a foil pouch which is come inside. There's a seal foil pouch, you can see. The instructions say that once the pouch is opened, the content should be used within 3 weeks. It should be kept inside a clean airtight container in a cool, dry and hygienic place. And importantly, the pack say do not refrigerate the powder. So let's open the pouch. So friends, I'm going to open the pouch. So I'm opening the pouch, which is here. And you can see the chocolate powder. It has the familiar cocoa-like appearance you expect from a chocolate nutrition drink. Now I'm going to prepare it according to the direction. The pack gives 2 preparation options. With 150 ml of milk, you use 2 tablespoons, approx 25 grams of powder. With 190 ml of water, you use 4 tablespoons, approx 50 grams of powder. I'm going to prepare it with milk and we can see the powder itself, how does it look along with the milk. So I added my required quantity of milk and now I'm going to add the powder, 2 spoons, and let's mix it properly. So friends, I'm going to take 2 spoons of powder and I'm going to mix it now. It is coming together nicely. The drink has a chocolate color and after mixing it looks like a chocolate nutrition drink. Now before I taste it, let's find out what is actually inside this powder. The ingredient list starts with skim milk powder, maltodextrin, soy protein, cocoa powder, sucrose, natural and nature identical flavoring substances, color that is caramel, tree powder, L-carnitine, stabilizer, vitamins, minerals, sweetener, sucrose, contain milk and soy. So this product also contains milk and soy. The packet also specifically states that it contains added sucralose, which is a non-sweetener. So this isn't simply cocoa and protein powder. There is a combination of milk ingredient, carbohydrate ingredient, soy protein, cocoa, sucrose, L-carnitine, vitamins, minerals, and sweetener. Now let's look at the nutrition. On 400 grams, the energy is 368 kcal, protein is 30 gram, carbohydrate are 50.60 gram. The pack also lists L-carnitine 500 mg. The formulation includes vitamin A, D2, E, K, C, B complex, folic acid, and biotin. It also contains minerals including calcium, iron, zinc, potassium, magnesium, and iodine, among others. Let's taste it. The first thing I notice is the chocolate flavor. It's more like a chocolate nutrition drink than a thick chocolate milkshake. There's a sweetness and you can definitely get the cocoa flavor. The texture is fairly smooth after mixing, although obviously the final consistency can change depending on whether you prepare it with water or milk. If you prepare it with milk, you get a richer drink. But with water, the chocolate flavor is still quite noticeable, and that's important because if you are planning to use a product like this regularly, taste matter. You don't want something that looks impressive nutritionally but become difficult to drink after a few days. So far, the combination of chocolate flavor and protein make this necessarily enjoyable. But now we need to ask the bigger question. Is this actually worth rupees 880? And that's where the ingredient, protein content, serving option, benefit, and limitation become important. And if you want to check the product online, I've kept the Amazon link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. In per 100 gram of powder, energy that is 366 kcal, protein that is 30 gram, carnitine that is 500 mg, total fat that is 0.40 gram, cholesterol that is less than 20 mg, carbohydrate that is 60.60 gram, total sugar that is 32 gram, added sugar that is 4.50 gram, added sucrose that is 4.50 gram. Vitamin A 523 mcg, vitamin D2 10 mcg, vitamin E 7.5 mg, vitamin K that is 50.0 mcg, vitamin C that is 40 mg, folic acid that is 118 mcg, vitamin B1 that is 1.10 mg, vitamin B that is 1.60 mg, vitamin B6 that is 1.90 mg, vitamin B12 that is 1 mcg, niacin that is 14 mg, pantotenic that is 5 mg, biotin that is 22.5 mcg, minerals, sodium 314 mg, potassium that is 939 mg, chloride that is 600 mg, calcium that is 600 mg, phosphorus that is 450 mg, magnesium that is 85 mg, iron that is 13.6 mg, zinc that is 6 mg, magnesium that is 0.60 mg, copper that is 425 mcg, iodine that is 22.5 mcg, selenium that is 6 mcg, chloronium that is 37.5 mcg, and molybdenum that is 6.8 mcg. This is what it is given it in the box. Benefit, pros, cons, price, and final verdict. We have opened the pack, prepared the drink, and tasted it. Now let's look at what makes Ensure high protein different and whether it actually makes sense for an active adult. The best and the biggest selling point is obviously the 30% protein claim. According to the nutritional information, there are 30 gram of protein in 400 gram of powder. That number that really separates the product from an ordinary chocolate beverage. The product also contains soy protein, while skim milk powder is the first ingredient. Then there's ELK, which is listed at 500 mg per 100 gram. The brand describes ELK as an amino acid derivative to support energy and fat metabolism. The formulation also includes a range of vitamins and minerals. So this isn't just simply a protein powder with chocolate flavor. It is formulated as a broader nutritional supplement for adults. Another point the pack highlights is lower fat and sucrose. The back of the pack states 0.4% fat and 30% lesser sucrose according to the product claim. And at the same time, the nutrition panel gives 368 kcal of energy, 30 gram of protein, 60.60 gram of carbohydrate in per 100 gram. So if you are considering this specifically for protein, the biggest selling point is obviously the 30% protein claim. According to the nutritional information, there are 30 gram of protein in per 100 gram of powder. That's the number that really separates this product from an ordinary chocolate beverage. The product also contains soy protein, while skim milk powder is the first ingredient. Then L-carnitine, which is listed at 500 mg per 100 gram. The brand describes L-carnitine as an amino acid derived to support energy and fat metabolism. The formulation also includes a range of vitamin and minerals. So this isn't simply a protein powder with chocolate flavor. It is formulated as a broader nutritional supplement for adults. Another point the pack highlights is lower fat and sucrose. The back of the pack states 0.4% fat and 30% lesser sucrose according to the product claim. At the same time, the nutrition panel gives 368 kcal of energy and 30 gram of protein and 60.60 gram of carbohydrate in per 100 gram. So if you're considering this specifically for protein, it's important to look at the entire nutritional panel rather than just focusing on 30% protein claim. Now let's talk about the benefit. For an active adult who want a convenient way to add protein to their diet, the main advantage is convenience. You don't need to cook anything. You simply measure the powder and add water or milk and mix. The pack specifically recommends 25 grams with 150 ml of milk or 50 grams with 190 ml of water. That's quite straightforward. The chocolate flavor is another positive for me because it makes the product easier to consume regularly compared with a completely plain protein supplement. And at the inclusion of vitamin and mineral is another reason Someone may consider it as a nutrition supplement rather than simply buying a basic protein powder. But there are also some important limitations. First, rupees 880 for 400 gram is significant price. The pack give it a unit price of rupees 2.20 per gram. So this is not a budget product. If your only goal is to get protein as cheaply as possible, you will need to compare it with another protein product before deciding. Second, the carbohydrate content is 55.60 gram per 100 gram. So although the product is promoted around protein, it isn't a pure protein powder. Third, the ingredient list includes sucrose, maltodextrin, and sucralose. The pack said contain added sucralose, which is a non-caloric sweetener. So if you are specifically looking for a very simple ingredient list, this may not be the product you are after. There's also usage instruction that shouldn't be ignored. The pack said this product is not for use in galact or lactose intolerance. It is not intended for children unless recommended by a physician or a healthcare professional. It is for adults and the instructions say not to exceed the recommended daily usage. It is also not for parent or intravenous use and not for medicinal use. The product is designed as naturally gluten-free and of course because it contains milk and soy, people with relevant allergy or dietary restriction need to check the label carefully. Another important storage point after opening the foil pouch should be used within 3 weeks and kept inside in a clean and airtight container. Once the drink has been prepared, it should be consumed promptly or kept covered and refrigerated and used within 24 hours. Should I recommend it? I think it depends entirely on what you are looking for. If you are an adult looking for convenient chocolate flavor nutrition supplement with 30% protein, L, vitamins and minerals, this is an interesting product. The chocolate flavor makes it easy to drink, the preparation is simple and the nutrition profile is clearly laid out. But if you're only interested in getting the maximum amount of protein for the lower possible price, I wouldn't automatically choose this without comparing alternatives. At rupees 880 for 400 gram is it in a more premium price range. And remember the product is a health supplement, not a medicine and not a replacement for a balanced diet. For me, the biggest positive are the 30 gram of protein in 400 gram, 500 mg of L in per 100 gram. Chocolate flavor, convenient preparation and added mineral and vitamin. The main negatives are rupees 880 for the price, relatively high carbohydrate content and the fairly long ingredient list including malta, sucrose and sucralose. So my final verdict, worth trying if you are specifically looking for a convenient high protein nutritional drink for adults and you are comfortable with the price. But don't buy simply because you see 30% protein on the front. Look at the complete ingredient list, serving instruction and nutritional information and then decide whether it fits in your own requirement. And for the taste, I think the chocolate flavor does a good job. It tastes like a chocolate nutrition drink rather than a traditional chocolate milkshake, but it's pleasant enough to drink. Now, I want to know from you, have you tried Ensure High Protein and will you choose it over regular protein powder? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this review helpful, please like the video, share it with someone who may be interested in high protein nutrition product and subscribe to the channel for more honest food and product review. And don't forget, I've kept the Amazon link in the description if you want to check the current price and availability. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye friends.